I realize myself as a force field and bam, it happens. Of course I'm using a magnet. At least that's what many viewers think now. But wait, the assumption of a magnet isn't so misplaced. I will show you from start to finish how you can do that too. Don't skip any second. What I repeatedly see in various YouTube videos, tinfoils falling over, people making cups, cans or pens roll, and often accompanied by wind-generating hand movements. Pseudo-telekinesis. Using such objects, you keep wondering again and again why you are not making genuine progress. Well, all of these objects strongly tend to move by themselves. The can roll, the pen can roll as well, the tinfoil piece can flip, and the sci wheel can turn by itself. That's why it's nonsense. Quit it. You better get started with the sci wheel 2.0, the compass. Although there's only a slight difference to the sci wheel, it will challenge you. We know from physics, if a current flows through a conductor, a magnetic field is created around it. In this case, for you and me, it is stimuli, that being electrons within neural pathways, that around my body, especially by movements of my arms or fingers, for example, create a subtle magnetic field. And with that, we already arrived at the compass. My tip? Open the compass. Here are some video clips of the students of my online school for the learning of psychokinesis called GOKP. Links are in the description. If you opened the compass, move a finger very close to one side of the needle and you will, after a few attempts of moving the needle with your finger, see results after a few minutes that resemble electrostatics, whereupon the compass needle will start to move while your finger near the needle is performing a small movement. And yes, it actually looks similar to the shown footage on my old videos, as if it was electrostatics. But you will be surprised that telekinesis, or encyclopedically, psychokinesis, actually even creates electrostatic charges as well, for the phenomenon is based on bioelectricity and hence also biomagnetism. Try under no circumstances to touch or to influence the needle with your breath, because that happens quickly, without noticing it. Be careful and make small movements. If you really want to see results, then it will probably take you 20 minutes, because based on your personal predisposition, nothing happens instantaneously. Make the movements with your index finger, as it is shown in these video clips, for a while above the needle of the compass, and you will actually be witnessing a forced electrostatic activity of the needle moving towards your finger. Let it be said that no mental effort is needed on your part, especially because a thought is nothing other than an electron, which viewed electromagnetically, represents a vital electromagnetic force, which for example can be responsible for the movements of objects without direct contact. Thus, it's not mind over matter, but actually mind over force field. Ultimately, psychokinesis is nothing supernatural, but explained in a rational manner, simply electromagnetism. And indeed, does electromagnetism influence every conceivable material. Electrons are found in any material, and these are generally known to emit a small magnetic field. The keyword for psychokinesis would in this case be the so-called magnetic susceptibility, which causes the magnetization of non-magnetic matter. Thus, the hocus pocus is already explained rationally. And those for whom this doesn't suffice, they can obtain my probably illegal book. Yeah, that's right, probably illegal. But it's for the learning of real psychokinesis that I'm presently writing. It will be available for purchase in about 2 years. This is my ultimate psychokinesis tutorial in the form of a book. Hence you will be able to learn how to integrate the electromagnetic energy of your nervous system into the physical world and thus produce psychokinetic phenomena. So you are welcome to subscribe, so you don't miss the publication of the book.